Real coffee, real good. Hey everybody. Wow, this world I think has gone nuts. Plain, simply nuts. I'm reading, I'm watching, I'm learning, and I'm just seeing so much craziness. I don't know if it's just me, but the more I do talk to some people and see that it is real, it isn't crazy, I'm beginning for the first time yesterday to see what I've been thinking and what I've been chatting with a couple of people about coming real, and it's becoming a real thing and the cracks are beginning to show. And what I mean by this is the irrational exuberance, the absolute craziness of the world, the market, the money. There's too much money in the world, they don't know where to put it. So what do? They put it in crazy places. Instead of going into normal investments, which a lot of people will find boring. Of course, boring isn't sexy, boring isn't exciting. And of course, let's put it where everybody else is going, and we'll put it into cryptocurrencies and bitcoins. Well, I have no idea. Just like Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's partners, called it, it's crazy. It's not an investment. I totally agree 100%. How can you make something out of nothing? There's no intrinsic underlying value. But with this, with so much money going around, in America there's 2 jobs for every person. People don't need to work. There's been helicopter money thrown at people. They have access to funds. And with this, they're putting their money. People are saying, well, what must I do? Where must I invest? Everyone's just following the herd. And of course, will this be a bigger bubble than the tulip bubble? I somehow think so. I somehow think with us seeing the cracks beginning to come, watch the space, I think a lot of people are in for a very big shock. And as the world bites down on itself, you just hope that you are in investments that are going to hold their value through tough times. And when I say that, I mean real estate in any way, shape or form. Take your money and put it in real estate. It isn't the word real for nothing. It is real, unlike the cryptocurrencies. Happy investing.